Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Today we would like to share our video of community services activities with the title Health Checks, Pre-Treatment and Telemedicine Application Socialization in PCN Angaglik Sleman. These community services activities were conducted by myself, Ditaria Salviana, and my colleague, Dr. Gagah Buana Putra, and cardiologist, and Dr. Sigit Prianta from Gajah Mada University. Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta carries out the duties of the three dharma of higher education, which includes educational and teaching activities, research, community services, and Al-Islam Kemuhammadiyahan. The Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, as part of UMY, has a community service program organized by lecturers by the university's vision and mission. In this program, we carry out community service activities with the activity title Health Checks, Blood Pressure, Blood Sugar, and Cholesterol, as well as free treatment at PCN Angaglik. Through this community service activity, it is hoped that lecturers can apply the knowledge they have so that the benefits can be directly felt by the community. Health is a human right and an investment for the success of national development. For this reason, it is necessary to carry out comprehensive health development to create a healthy society. Based on observation made at PCN Angaglik, the health problems most residents suffer from the degenerative or chronic diseases in the elderly diseases that contribute to the majority of morbidity and mortality suffered by the majority of residents in PCN Angaglik are hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and stroke. There are still many elderly people who smoke and have a history of uncontrolled hypertension and diabetes mellitus. This data shows that the possibility of the risk of complications due to hypertension and diabetes mellitus in the form of strokes, heart attacks, and kidney failure in the elderly in PCN Angaglik is relatively high. Hypertension is a condition when the systolic blood pressure is more than 120 and the diastolic pressure is more than 80 millimeter. Hypertension often causes change in blood vessels, which can result in higher blood pressure. Hypertension or high blood pressure is the main cause of heart failure, stroke, and kidney failure. High blood pressure is called the silent killer because people with high blood pressure often do not show symptoms. The National Institute of Heart, Lung, and Blood Vessel estimates that half of people who suffer from high blood pressure are unaware of their condition. Once this disease is suffered, the patient's blood pressure must be monitored at regular intervals and must be controlled because high blood pressure is a lifelong degenerative disease condition. To prevent further disease complication from occurring due to high blood pressure. The high number of elderly people in Ngaglik indicates the high incidence of degenerative disease in this area. So a health check is needed to detect the disease as early as possible to prevent further complications. Here we choose to check blood pressure, glucose or blood sugar, and cholesterol levels, as well as pre-treatment related to high blood pressure, excessive blood sugar, and cholesterol levels, which are the initial gates for the emergence of further more serious disease complications, which increase the risk of morbidity and mortality. When the doctor carries out a patient health examination, the doctor also provides health education regarding hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and lifestyle to control blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol, which is one of the important things to do, which aims both as preventive measure against this disease and their occurrence complication, as well as education that hypertension and diabetes mellitus are degenerative disease that require regular monitoring and control within normal limits to prevent complication. The method of community service activities is training consisting of lectures, two-way discussion, and role-playing followed by assignment in the field. Participants are 50 person community service participant at PCN Angaglik. The activity is carried out in group for 1 day and consists of 2 sessions with 2 materials. Activities involve the service team as resource persons, members, and service participants using modules created by the service team. The activity partner is PCN Angaglik. The program output are modules, scientific publication manuscript, and popular publication in the mass media. And the result, this community service was carried out on Sunday, March 10, 2024, at the Ahmad Dahlan Ngaglik Mosque with the series of activities, namely routine recitation, then holding outreach to the community with health checks, pre-treatment, and socialization of telemedicine application. Based on the problems explained in the service proposal, the service team has attempted to increase knowledge about the use of telemedicine applications because it allows more flexible interaction to occur between health workers and the community. After all, with this application, the community can carry out consultation without having to go to a health facility. By increasing public knowledge regarding the benefits of using telemedicine application and carrying out free battling, it is hoped that it can reduce the risk of chronic or degenerative diseases, so the complication arising from these diseases can be avoided or prevented in Yogyakarta, especially at Ngaglik as the current service partner. So the conclusion, these community service activities with the theme health examination, pre-treatment, and socialization of telemedicine application at PCN Angaglik Sleman have been able to successfully increase the understanding of counseling participants as indicated by the increase in post-test results after counseling compared to pre-test result before the counseling was held. Increased participants' understanding of consultation with telemedicine by 27% from initial knowledge before counseling was held about treatment via telemedicine and health checks. So, thank you very much to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, UMY, LPM UMY for supporting us during the community service activities. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.